Above the tall trees of Siargao's blossoming forest, a charming bird sings a beautiful song for everyone to hear.
Some animals may love the bustle of the shores, but I prefer the serene calm of Siargao's forests. The fresh air and the cool breeze just makes me wanna sing. I'm a white-eared brown dove of the class Aves from the family Columbidae. Me and my friends are quite the singers. Our song is a symphony that fills the air here in the treetops. Birds like me are unique to our country. You can only find me and my family in the Philippines. They call us an endemic species. I may be a little brown birdie, but this small throat can belt out a loud song. That might have been too loud. Sorry, I got carried away. Well, how about to do it? If you sing my song, I'll surely answer back. Go on, sing. You have a lovely voice. I can sing with you all day.